Hello and welcome to the short row cap sleeve cowl. Probably got that wrong, probably gonna get that wrong again. Just a quick introduction for those of you that are new to the channel. My name's Michelle or Dora. I am the crochet designer behind Dora Does. I've been crocheting since 2012 and I love designing garments, and I'm really excited to teach you this new technique and hope you'll enjoy crocheting along with me. Welcome to my latest crochet along. This is just going to be a very quick introductory video to tell you what you can expect, to show you the patterns and to get started. The official start date is this Friday, which is March the 22nd. I will release another vlog which will kick you off for the first week, although if you watch to the end I'm going to give you a tip of where we're starting. You can also get all of that on the homepage, but let's not get ahead of myself. So first off, this crochet along is going to involve two patterns. So this is the sequel sweater we have here, which is a brand new design. It's got an open round neck. Colour work is totally optional. It's got little cuffs. I've kept the sleeves quite short on this because that's what I was going for, but we'll talk about how to change that if you want to. And the key point for this design is the short row sleeve cap. So we've got underarm shaping here, and then our sleeve cap is worked in short rows. This is really the technique that this cowl is about. I do have a separate video that shows you how to do that, which I'm going to pop a link to, so if you want to get super keen you can get started and watch that. So this is one pattern, and then we have the original pattern, which is the short stories cardigan. So this was the first time I used this technique. It uses the same stitch pattern as the sweater. It has slightly different sizing on this one. It's obviously cropped. If we have a look, this is about waist length. I wanted this length so I could stick it on over a dress and it would finish around my waist, but again, easy to change. We've got the same short sleeve shaping around the arm, and what that does essentially is it will create a nicer fit around the arm. So if you have a drop shoulder design which finishes here, you're going to get extra bulk here. So the whole point of this technique is to reduce the bulk around the sleeve. So they're the two patterns. You can work with one, both, either, or whatever you fancy. The crochet along is going to work as follows. Essentially we have the home page, so the hub of the crochet along. You have to excuse me because I think there's some fluff just come off there. So we've got the home page, which again I'll pop a link to. That is going to be kind of the first port of call. That's the central hub for all the information. That will give you the schedule. It will have links to all the vlogs. It will allow you to look forward, see what we're working on next, see what we've worked on. So this crochet along is going to be hopefully timeless. So whether you're joining as we do it live week by week, or whether you're joining in a year's time or 2 years' time, you can pick up these videos, use that hub page and follow along at your own pace. It's all at your own pace, this crochet along. It's meant to be relaxed. It's meant to help you enjoy learning a new technique. Each week as we go live, I'm also going to pop a post on my Facebook group, which is called My Crochet Wardrobe. If you're not a member, it is a private group, but there's just a few joining questions just to root out the spam. So I'll pop a post there where you can ask any questions, share your progress. Again, that will go up on Fridays. Same with Instagram. I'll pop a little update to let you all know what I've been working on that week and what's in the vlog. I also have an email for this cowl, so if you want updates, just a weekly roundup, it'll come each Friday. Again, just where we're at with it. So whatever the platform works with you, there should be something for you. I'm offering a discount on the patterns. So if you get both patterns together, you get 20% off for the bundle, which you can purchase on Ravelry or Etsy. Again, all these links on the homepage. There's no code needed for the bundle, or if you want to buy one or other of the patterns, you get 10% off using the code one4me. That's on, again, Ravelry or Etsy. So those discounts are going to be live for the duration of the cowl, which is up to May 3rd, 2024. So that's really how it's going to go. Any questions, drop them in the comments below. Week one, we're going to start with a little explanation of the stitch pattern. We're going to talk swatching and size selection, some really key fundamental things. And just to give you a sneak peek, I will be making along with you, and I love to use up odds and ends. I say odds and ends. This is some sock yarn I bought last year on holiday, and I've got these pinks. I'm gonna go like pink fat stripes, I think. We're gonna go pink. Right, I think that's all I want to say today. I'm off to do some swatching. Props always help.